Well, Ms. Shaila NC will be joining us in some time, so we'll move forward. We have with us Ms. Ishita Bansal from Intex Technologies. I would request you to come forward and address the audience. Just to let you all know, ladies and gentlemen, we also have with us Ms. Alpa Bansal and Kavita Bansal amongst us. Could we have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for this young leader?
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. Look for growth. Look for teams that are growing quickly. Look for companies that are doing well. Look for a company where you feel that you can make a lot of impact in improving this world. Was quoted by an iconic woman, Sheryl Sandberg, who is the COO of Facebook. And indeed, Intex Technology is one such company, as Sheryl mentioned, which is committed to improving the state of this world. I'm so privileged and honored today to share this dais with such great dignities and respected people to talk about the social commitment of Intex Technologies. I would also like to thank the organizers for inviting Intex to be part of this conference. It is indeed a great opportunity for me as a youngster to be able to see such initiatives that are close to my heart. Intex Technology was incorporated in the year 1996. It is a leading mobile phones company with a strong presence in the consumer durables and IT sector. It was founded by my father, a visionary, Mr. Narendra Bansal, along with his three younger brothers, Mr. Sunil Bansal, Mr. Sanjay Bansal, and Mr. Jayaprakash Bansal. 17 years ago, my father, with his own hands, wrote the mission and the vision for the company. For Intex to be a globally respected brand and improves people's quality of life. To improve people's quality of life by providing them technology, innovation, and high-quality products at reasonable prices to consumers worldwide. To know further about Intex, we have a small video for you.
Style and substance, two pillars upon which brand Intex has been built. This is evident in the wide range of products we manufacture. Our world-class R&D team facilitates innovative product designs and people-friendly technology in our quest to create a consumer-centric brand. Today, we also have a vast distribution network pan-India. Having achieved so much in just over 20 years, being a zero-net company is another feather in our cap. We are constantly on the rise. We are Intex. Style and substance.
As Rajeshri Birla mentioned about sustainable, empowering people will only lead to a sustainable tomorrow. We or Intex also believe that. Empowering people is we at Intex believe will lead to a sustainable tomorrow. And that is why initiatives taken up by Intex revolve around the philosophy of giving the power to the individual and to lead his life the way he or she wishes to. Intex is just a holding hand to help individuals in different ways to stand up and achieve their dreams. At this young age, I understand a fire an individual holds to achieve his or her dreams. But on seeing the unemployment rate, the poverty, I wonder, is this really the dream country? However, when I see my parents making efforts to address these issues in their own small way, I feel optimistic. It also makes me more hopeful when I see companies like ours and those represented here lend a helping hand in their own unique way. For a company to be socially responsible, it has to add value by improving the individual's life they are impacting. Recently, at the World Brand Summit in Dubai, Intex was awarded the most promising brand in the telecom sector by the PhD Chamber of Commerce. Intex holds hands with more than 11,000 individuals and their families trying to achieve their dreams. Intex started its CSR journey by holding hands of the people with the kindest hearts on this planet. the underprivileged children in India. My mother, Mrs. Alpa Bansal, who's sitting right here, single-handedly has been teaching for the last decade and helped more than 2,000 children achieve their goal in life. My mother gave me the inspiration that single-handedly this world can be a better place to live. Here I would like to share one of the most unforgettable moments of my life. When I was 15, I went for a dinner with my parents, and suddenly a steward came and touched my mother's feet. And my mother stunned, trying to remember the face. And the boy goes like, "Ram Ram Madam Ji, आपने मेरा 10वीं कक्षा में admission करवाया था, आज मैं नौकरी कर रहा हूँ." And that moment, my life changed. I believe that a single person can make a difference. And since that day, I have been meeting various former students from pursuing different occupations that were mere dreams to those children before meeting my mother. Taking cue from this, Index Technology is now initiating various programs that touch these little hearts. Intex has successfully helped 500 kids take up education instead of child labor, and we are now initiating to set up smart schools in rural areas that will allow kids to learn holistically. Growing population begets unemployment, and vocational training is a necessary and important ingredient for a nation where 35% of the population is under 15 and 50% of population is under 25. Apart from basic education, Intex also therefore believes that imparting skills for vocational training is one of the utmost importance if you want a youth to attain employment. Intex is in the process of setting up Intex Life Skills Academies along with the Life NGO, which will specialize in skill development for wage employment and entrepreneurship in and around plants in Greater Noida, Baddi and Jammu. The academies will impart skills and training to unemployed youth, with the outcome being mainstream job placement, thus transitioning beneficiary from students to workers. Another initiative that Intex is going to commence with life is the starting of Intex Ayan, which will be academies geared towards imparting entrepreneurship skills. These will primarily be located in Mufassil towns in Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Bihar. Another area that Intex was closely associated with last year was the Nepal earthquake. The devastating earthquake left a trail of disaster in Himalayan nation in 2015. Intex collaborated with Helping Hands Foundation, Nepal, to build around 500 houses. My aunt, Mrs. Kavita Bansal, who specially flown down from China for this conference, sitting right here, is a witness to how our family helped and Intex helped the people in Nepal. Intex currently has 5 factories in India, which has an annual capacity of 40 million handsets, 23 million mobile batteries and chargers, and around 500,000 LED TVs, which employs nearly 5,000 people from the vicinity. Intex is also in the process of setting up our largest manufacturing plant in Greater Noida, where more than 15,000 people would get employment. All these efforts by Intex is done just to make India proud and take the Make in India initiative forward. To leave everyone with a thought that helped me and my brother Keshav Bansal evolve as better human beings is what our father taught us since childhood. वो हमें हमेशा सिखाते थे कि भगवान ने हमें इस समाज में हाथ ऊपर और देने के लिए भेजा है, लेने के लिए नहीं। तो हमेशा अपना हाथ ऊपर रखिए और दीजिए. And this is the philosophy we Intexians follow.